welcome back, everybody. Hope everybody is doing okay. Well, we have some news to report to you guys. Not the kind of stuff we want to hear with the athletic season about to kick into high gear. But before we get into it, remember, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be up to date with all the happenings going on in the track and field world and the other sports that we cover. All right. So, guys, apparently the Jamaica Olympic Association and the Jamaica Athletic Administrative Association are at loggerheads over the number of athletes for the Commonwealth Games. This is according to the Jamaica Observer Sports section, authored by one Paul Reed. All right. So the Observer says the announcement of the Jamaica track and field contingent to the Commonwealth Games to be held in Birmingham, United Kingdom next month is being held up due to yet another standoff between the Jamaica Olympic Association and the Jamaica Athletic Administrative Association. The Jamaica Observer has learned the newest standoff between the island's two most powerful sporting bodies is the latest in a series going back a few years. And reports are that the JOA is asking the JAAA to cut the squad to the Commonwealth Games from just over 70 to just under 50. Meanwhile, efforts to contact officials from either association have yet to yield success. So nobody now answer the phone when the Observer called. All right. On Friday, the JAAA released a team of just over 60 athletes for the World Athletic Championships that will compete from July 15 to 24 at the Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon. The World Championship team includes 12 athletes who were eligible to compete because of their world rankings, despite their failure to make the qualifying standards. So, guys, that is why you see so much athletes on the qualifying list with asterisks beside their names. All right. Sources close to the JAAA have told the Observer that as many as 40 of the athletes who have been named for the World Championship have indicated that they would also like to travel to Birmingham for the Commonwealth Games. All right. Among those who indicated that they would be in the United Kingdom are Johan Blake oblique Seville, national double sprint champion Sherika Jackson, who could attempt the double, while Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price is expected to run the 100 and Elaine Thompson-Herod to run the 200. Now, I must admit that I saw the list to the Commonwealth Games and I was surprised that we had so many athletes going and so many high caliber athletes going, because it's not a we don't usually send the best of the best to the Commonwealth Games, but this time around it seems that that is the case. The other thing that I noticed on the original list that I saw for the Commonwealth Games, there was no Johan Blake or oblique Seville, so those names are new to me. On the issue at hand, though, the long-running conflicts that these associations have been having over the years need to be sorted out and dealt with before they reach to the newspapers. Okay, we don't need this kind of thing now going into major tournaments back to back or major meets back to back. We have the World Championship in less than 2 weeks, and then after that, the Commonwealth Games, which we seem that we want to put a heavy focus on. It would be helpful if the actual association spoke to the press so we could know what the concerns are, instead of just having to go off just scarce information that they want the teams to be cut. That is it. The Olympic Association is asking the JAAA to cut the team down. All right. We want to know the reasons. Is it a matter of budget, logistics, or anything else? You know what I mean? We the fans need to know what's going on. All right. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.